Exploring Article 10 of Philippines Constitution, Government and Autonomy and Local Government. Article 10 of Philippines Constitution embraces the importance of local government and autonomy. It's outlined that the framework of the establishment of local government units, LGUs, and their powerful, ensuring that the government is more responsive to the needs of the community. Key prevention of Article 10. The powers and responsibilities of local government units. It provides for the establishment of provincial, city, municipality, and barangay government, ensuring that they have the authority to enforce the law and manage the local affairs. Local government is a political subdivision of a national or a state governed by law having a significant control over local affairs with elected or selected officer. Section 1, Territorial and Political Subdivision of Republic of the Philippines are, so natako na to ganiya, provincial, province and city, municipalities, and barangay. And importance of local government are the performance of local function. So dapat makita yun. As local affairs can be best regulated by the people and the locally rather by the center authority. The location autonomy or the local autonomy unit is considered extremely necessary for the more effective local government system. In short, local government are criticized for effective local function, requires local autonomy for better regulation by local citizens rather than the center autonomy. Here's the reason for granting local autonomy. First is important of local solution to a local problems. Second, need for orderly management of local affairs. Third is need for foolish development of local government. And now let's proceed for section 3. Congress is a set of a local government code aiming to create a responsive, accountable, and governmental structure. This code will be allow power, responsibility, and resources among local units. And let's proceed for section 4, presidential and supervision of LGU. First is the presidential exclusive general supervision of over all LGU. Second is the presidential exercise direct supervision over. So the example is the provincial, autonomous region, and independent city. And this power is limited to ensure that the lower officer exercise their function in coordination with the law. And the president cannot conspire. Third is need for foolish development of local government. And now let's proceed for section 3. Congress is a set of a local government code aiming to create a responsive, accountable, and governmental structure. This code will be allow power, responsibility, and resources among local units. And let's proceed for section 4, presidential and supervision of LGU. First is the presidential exclusive general supervision of over all LGU. Second is the presidential exercise direct supervision over. So the example is the provincial, autonomous region, and independent city. And this power is limited to ensure that the lower officer exercise their function in coordination with the law. And the president cannot considerate his judgment for that an LGU officer unless that the letter is act contrary to the law. So dili basta-basta makabuhat og action basta wala siya kanang evidence na legally. Then the president may however impose administrative sanction against LGU officers such as suspension for 120 days and may even remove them for their post accordingly with the law. Also, the provincial exercise direct supervision over compare the cities and municipality. And cities and municipalities exercise direct supervision over competent barangays. And for the section 5, each local government shall have the right to create own sources of revenue such as taxes and charges cess. So familiar na gid ta ana as a resident sa Philippines, so na gyud tay gipang bayran if nanatay mga legally na kuan sa government. So mao na sila ang first is it is a subject such as guidelines and limitation as a context may provide. So makita ni siya sa local government code for example. And the second is the guidelines set by correspond should be considered with the basic politics of the local autonomy. So ang local government units do not have the power to declare war. Kay naslay gi-follow na guidelines and naslay limitation. The Department of the Integration and Local Government is the responsible for overseeing local government units in the Philippines. Pabalik ko na to ang section 4. This read is the key principles of local autonomy in Article 10.
Autonomy and local governance. Autonomy is a fundamental principle in Article 10, allowing LGUs to govern themselves effectively. This provision empowers the local officials to make decisions that best serve their constituents, fostering a sense of ownership and responsibility among local leaders and communities. This response explored the concept of autonomy within local governance, examining how it empowers communities and influences decision-making processes. We will delve into the definition of local autonomy, its benefits, challenges, and its role in shaping democratic societies. Independence. Article 10 also emphasizes autonomy, enabling LGUs to generate their own revenue through taxes and other means. This financial independence is crucial for implementing local projects and services, thereby improving the quality of life of our residents and promoting sustainable development. The concept of independence within autonomy is nuanced one, often intertwined yet distinct. While both terms relate to self-determination and freedom, independence emphasizes self-reliance and freedom from external control, while autonomy focuses on the power to make decisions and act without undue influence.
Challenges in implementation. Despite its provision, the implementation of Article 10 faces several challenges issues such as political interference, insufficient funds, and limited capacity are local governments to fully exercise their autonomy. Addressing these challenges is essential to realizing the potential of local governments. They explain the state shall promote just a dynamic social order that ensures the prosperity and independence of the nation, and free the people from poverty through policies that provides adequate social services, promote full employment, rising standard of living, and improvise quality of life for all. The Section 10. Conclusion. In conclusion, Article 10 of the Philippine Constitution plays a vital role in promoting local governments and autonomy by empowering in the LGUs. It encourages community engagement and enhance the delivery of public services. Continuous efforts are needed to overcome challenges and fully realize its benefits. And I explain, is specific provision in Article 10 support more inclusive local governments and development such as sectoral representation in local legislative council, the creation of regional development councils, the passage of a new local governments code, and the creation of special autonomous region in the Cordilleras. Specific provision in Article 10 support more inclusive local governments and development such as sectoral representation in local legislative councils, the creation council in the creation regional development councils, the passage of a new local government code, and the creation of special autonomous region in the Cordilleras. Thank you.